The defamation lawsuit filed by Dominion Voting Systems against Fox News is set to begin trial in the month of April. So we are less than 3 months away from Fox News having to face the music in that $1.6 billion lawsuit. And they are trying desperately to make sure that that thing never goes to trial because, of course, they don't want to suffer the humiliation that's going to come along with it. And that humiliation is not because of what they said, but because of what they will have to say at the trial. I'll get more to that in a minute. But last week, lawyers for Fox News filed a sealed motion with the court, basically begging them to dismiss this lawsuit. Do not let this thing go to trial. And in their motion, even though it is sealed, we do know a little bit about what they put in there. And they once again rehash the same stupid, idiotic remarks that they have tried repeatedly already and failed to use to get the case dismissed. So they didn't really offer much of anything new. They just said the same thing like, well, we were just talking about newsworthy things of the day. You know, it doesn't matter if it's true or if it's false. We were just talking about things that were in the news because we're a news channel, so you can't sue us for that. Now, as I said, those arguments are very dumb, and Fox's lawyers have actually already argued that to the court while trying to get it dismissed in the past, and they didn't work. So the brilliant brain trust of Fox News lawyers apparently went back to the office after their last time to dismiss it didn't go anywhere, and they said, well, what do we do? Y'all think we ought to come up with a new strategy? And somebody in that meeting must have raised their hand and said, what if we just do the same thing again to the same judge? Hey, how about that? And the other lawyers looked around like, I got nothing else. Why not, right? Hey, what do we have to lose? It's not like Republican lawyers are getting sanctioned left and right for filing stupid motions in court, right? But they tried it, and we're still waiting for the court to decide, and I think we all know how that's going to go. But as I said, they did put forth a little bit of new info. And here's what it is. This is from Raw Story. Fox lawyers brought up since disproven claims that the use of Sharpie markers in Maricopa County, Arizona, had invalidated Trump votes and allegations of fraud in Detroit. And here's a big one, folks. They filed a sworn deposition from an anonymous witness who claims to be a former member of the Venezuelan presidential security team and accused Dominion of committing election fraud in the United States. So an anonymous person, like, they filed a deposition with somebody who won't tell them who they are. They're like, oh no, I'm with the Venezuelan presidential security team. And yeah, I know that they do all kinds of things. So yeah, I'll go on record as saying that, sure, yeah. You could have picked any wacko off the street to make those claims. So that's not going to get you very far in court at all. And in fact, that's actually the kind of thing that might end up getting you sanctioned because it is so incredibly stupid. And to be honest, Fox News may have a case for legal malpractice at that point if this is the kind of crap you're going to pull. But as I mentioned, the humiliation for Fox News is not going to have to be for defending the stupid things that were said on the air. No. The humiliation is going to come when they have to go to court, as they have in the past with these defamation cases. And they've used this defense and won. But it's going to be when they have to say that hosts like Sean Hannity, Maria Bartiromo, and all the other hosts that are being sued, current and former, they're going to have to say that no reasonable person would ever take what they say at face value. No reasonable person would listen to what they say and say, oh yeah, that must be true. They already had to do that with Tucker Carlson, where those lawyers, probably not the same ones, but they went to court and they said no reasonable person would believe what Tucker Carlson has to say. And they won! But it came at a price, right? You're admitting your own hosts are horrible people that just make crap up. And sure, it's a winning legal strategy, I guess. Maybe not this time, though. But do you really want to have to go and throw more of your own hosts under the bus just to save the money? Well, time will tell, because if these are the best arguments you have, that thing ain't getting dismissed. So we'll be paying attention when you go to trial this coming April. Hi everyone, this here is little Athena. And Athena would like to know why you haven't subscribed to Fair and Balanced yet. So please, don't let Athena down. Subscribe today.